Let me share with you a natural homemade face mask that you can use to glow your face naturally using natural ingredients that is already available in your kitchen, or that you can get them in the supermarket at a cheaper rate. All you need to do is to be patient, to be consistent, and know that this remedy works with a particular skin type. So you need to know your skin type before using this natural remedy. So in this honey and lemon face mask is a simple and natural way to brighten your skin and reduce a blemish. You can brighten your whole skin, you can brighten your face, but I always advise that you use it on all your body so that from your face right down to your toe have an even skin tone. Okay, so you only need a few ingredients that are already available in your kitchen, or that you can affordably have it in the market. So take 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and then you take half a spoon of fresh lemon juice, and if you like you can add a little bit of turmeric. Okay, add a little bit of turmeric to make it more richer. So mix them well in a bowl until they blend into a smooth mixture, and then you apply it on your face. All right, avoid making it touch your eyes. Apply it on your face and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Please don't go under the sun. You know that these natural remedies, they have not been touched, they have not passed under heat for the natural chemicals to be tempered with. So when it goes under the sun, the reaction can affect your skin. So make sure you are in a cold environment, a calm environment. You can leave it as long as you want on your face, but it should not exceed 1 hour. And then after that, you wash it off with lukewarm water, and then you pat it dry, and you apply any of your face moisturizer that you like. Okay, so let me share with you the benefit of these ingredients. All right, this face mask offers several great benefit. Honey helps to hydrate and soften the skin, while lemon lightens dark spots and adds a natural glow to your skin. Then the turmeric that you add inside can calm inflammation and reduce acne marks. Okay, if you have that acne mark or the marks that are being left behind by pimples, it helps eradicate it. Helps eradicate inflammation. Okay, so all these ingredients together, they leave your face looking fresh, clear, radiant, and beautiful. Now, however, you need to be very careful. Very, very careful. If you are an allergic person to citric or to acid, or you have sensitive skin, do a small patch test on your skin and leave it a small patch on your skin and leave it for 5 minutes, and then to get the reaction, to test your skin. Okay, because lemon can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so it is important to use sunscreen after applying the mask. Yes, after applying the mask on your face and washing it off, put on sunscreen, so that as your skin is already open, sun should not damage your skin. Like I said, if you have allergy, if you're a sensitive skin person, try to do a patch test before applying